The best things at SMIT are you get to study in one of the most beautiful campuses in the country with world-class infrastructure, world-class placements right at your doorstep.
The placement record of SMIT has been phenomenal, hitting 90+% in terms of job offers, with top MNCs providing career opportunity to our students. One of the unique features of SMIT is one full semester of industrial internship, which enables our students to become industry ready even before they graduate.
I think the best part about being a member of the SMIT family is that it becomes one of the most enriching experience. Our institute is not just very welcoming to individuals from different backgrounds, but we are also very welcoming towards new and innovative solutions.
We are an independent Section 8 company which is registered under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and we are working for the development of startups from across the country who are solving persistent problems in the Northeast.
एटलीस्ट मैं कुछ कर पाई जिससे वो लोग इंस्पायर हो रहे हैं। मे बी अब उनमें से कुछ लड़कियां होंगी जो मुझे देख के इंस्पायर होंगी और वो भी इस तरफ आने का सोचेंगी।
SMIT gives me a sense of security and safety. It helps me boost my mental strength and helps me to do better in my performance.
Here at this institute, young people are, channelizing their energy into organizing such events. In itself, it's a great training. Perhaps more than what you find in the books are such things that leave you with a lot of learnings in life.
Just 10 meters from our hostel, we have a health center which is open 24/7 and doctors and nurses are available.
We have an exceptional campus with world-class facilities to make sure that you stay motivated. SMIT doesn't just focus on your academics, but it also focuses on your overall personality and character development.
At SMIT, we do not just create engineers, we create personalities. Total transformation is what you can expect at SMIT.